Hey, how you doing? What's up? What color do you like today?
You know, I'm getting kind of tired wearing red. I've been wearing red forever. You have any other colors that you recommend, man?
You don't want to wear red no more? Well, guess what? You should get nude.
Huh? Get nude?
What are you doing?
You asked me to get nude?
No, go. Can you go ahead and button up your clothes, please?
What you mean?
What I meant is that Gaudy Nails just came out a bunch of nude collection gel polish. And every single color is so on point. It looks amazing and classy. Yeah, you want to try it? Come on, let me put it on for you. But you got to put your clothes back on, though, because we don't want other customers to be walking in here thinking we be doing other stuff than nail polish. You know what I mean? Put on your goddamn clothes, girl.
So do you still want me to get nude?